Hi guys, welcome back to Music Gym the Academy. You've probably seen on our socials we've been putting out some shorts of videos. You've seen a little short of me rocking out to Bronski Beat, Small Town Boy. So this is just a video to help you play through that. Same as always, I'm going to appear on the screen with the keyboard. It will light up. You'll see my hands. You'll see and hear me. I'll split it into a left hand and a right hand part. Take what you want from this video. It's quite tricky with two hands. I'll show you each part and I'll play along with the track and we can have some fun. So let's get straight into it with our left hand part. So with our left hand, all they do in this track is they basically rattle through an octave bass. So they start on C, they move to B flat, up to F, E flat, D, and back to C. Now, if you're confident like me, you can just use your left hand in octaves like this. If that's too tricky, there's two other ways we can do this. You can either just play a single note like this, and it will still have the same effect. Or what we can do is you can just use two fingers. If you're using any softwaring program like Logic or Pro Tools, you're recording a little loop in, just use two fingers. Whatever's most comfortable for the left hand part. So a quick recap there, you've got C, B flat, F, E flat, and then you pass back through D to start again. And this is what it sounds like with the track. Have a listen to this. Okay, so that's how it sounds with the track with the left hand. The right hand part is actually the easy part, and it's probably the bit in the record you're going to recognize the most. You're going to put your right hand up, not middle C, so here's middle C, we're going to go an octave higher, and we're going to use the notes today, C, D, E flat, and F. And the first pattern does this. 1, 3, 1, 3, 3. Listen again. 1, 3, 1, 3, 3. The second pattern, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. Then we're going to go finger 1 up to 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 4. Then back to finger 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 3. So a really simple and effective pattern, and I'll just run through that slowly so you can see that again. We've got 1, 3 first, 1, 2, 1, 4. 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 3. So slowly practice that, and again, just try and break this down into right hand and left hand, and when you're confident, it goes like this with the right hand. Now, I made a slight mistake there. That happens. I'm still practicing through this with you guys, but you get the idea, okay? And the idea is with those right hand parts and left hand parts, you'll bring it all together. So have a little watch of me play this final little demo. Hopefully you've enjoyed this tutorial. Check out our shorts, our reels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. Comment on any of the songs that you might want to learn as well, okay? I want to know what you guys want to play on the keyboard. Put a little comment, tell me what you want to play. I'll make a video for you guys, and this is how it sounds with two hands. Enjoy. So remember, like this video, please leave us a comment of songs you want to learn. Make sure to subscribe and share it around with your friends, and I'll see you again for another short tutorial.